it's me, Suri.
And me, Sophia.
And we're the Dream Chasers.
This is part 2 of our cinnamon ornament video. So we made these ornaments with cinnamon, applesauce, and glue.
And we left them dry for 3 days. Now we're ready to decorate them.
We each picked 3 ornaments to decorate. We're going to be using a hot glue gun, so just make sure you have permission before you use it. I'm going to start with my angel.
I'm going to start with my angel too.
Okay.
I'm going to be using this pretty string, and I'm going to hot glue it to make a skirt. Put some glue right here. Like that. And then going to glue the other side for the whole skirt. Look at this. I found some cotton balls. I'm only going to be using one to make the wings. So how you do the wings is you fold it in half, and then you can glue it to maybe your angel snowman. I'm going to put some glue right here on half of the side for it to stick, because if you don't do that, your wings will stay open and you want them to be closed. And this is how it turned out.
I like it. I think I'm
you.
going to do the same thing with my angel.
I'm starting on the eyes for the face, so I just snipped off some little pieces to make the eyes. So I'm just going to fold them like a little U. And I also want to add on a wand because he's going to be magical. So I have this star. Now I'm going to glue on this pipe cleaner. Like that. And I'm going to let it dry for a minute. I'm going to glue the mouth or nose with the red pom-pom. Like that. And now I only have my magic wand left, and then I'd be done with my angel. I'm really excited to see how it turn out. Don't forget, you gotta put your ribbon on. I'm gonna put it through. This is how my flying angel, magical, flying, pretty angel turned out.
So I'm making a scarf, and as you see here, I don't want to leave it plain like this. So I'm going to attach it with my glue like this for it to look more realistic. I put some hot glue on the bottom where the skirt would be, and I thought I could just sprinkle a few of these pom-poms on. And I'm gonna put a little more pom-poms around the angel for it to look more colorful. I'm gonna do Sui's idea of the angel wings too. So I already glued both sides of this cotton together. I'm gonna do it around the scarf like that. And now I'm just gonna press it. And I like how it turned out.
It's cute.
Thanks.
I like how you had the pom-pom idea in the scarf.
Thank you. I'm going to glue a few more pom-poms up here. The last step of decorating your ornament is to put the ribbon on to hang it anywhere you would like. We're using these as ornaments on our Christmas tree. So I'm just putting it through. Oh, that's a little long. But you're going to need to save a little bit of the ribbon because you're going to need to be tying it. I made another knot to make it shorter, and this is how it turned out.
I'm gonna start on making my candy cane. So I'm gonna be using these big eyes and some pom-poms. I'm gonna be using one of the red pom-poms for the nose. That's my nose. And I like the idea of Sophie's snowman, like of the coat. So I thought about doing that on my candy cane. I have a candy cane ribbon for my candy cane. So I'm going to be using that. There we go. Now I'm going to tie it. This is how my candy cane turned out.
I already started on my snowman and I made a little hat. I put my eyes on, and this is basically like a curious mouth, I'll call it that. And I had this cool idea of ripping the fluff apart and taking out the actual like fluffy part. I'm only gonna leave that much on. I think that's good. And since this is kind of soft, I might burn myself, so I gotta be very quick. It looks like a giant snowball just landed on it. So I'm gonna try and kind of trim the sides off of this. Oh, okay. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. Ooh.
Cute.
I found this little tree and I'm gonna attach it, or glue it, to the belly of the snowman for it to have more details.
That's a cool idea.
Thank you. Ooh.
Oh,
So
that's
cute.
so cute. I love it. Guys, I'm so excited because the snowman's my last one to go and then I'm done. So I'm gonna first start on gluing my eyes on. I just put some glue on and I'm gonna put some fuzz. You gotta do it really careful. So I finished putting some cotton on my snowman. So now I'm gonna do the hat. So how I'm gonna do that is I have some, what is it called? Pipe cleaners. I already put one scarf on my snowman. So I'm gonna put another layer of a scarf, but red. This is how mine's turned out.
So I here have my Santa, and I wanted to make him a little funny, so I have these humongous eyes that I'm gonna glue on. So I did the same thing I did with my snowman. I took some fluff out of the cotton, and it's gonna be for a beard, so I'm going to have to glue that on. I'm gonna put it on quickly before it dries. Okay, I'm gonna attach a little mouth. So, just put some hot glue there. I'm gonna do what I did with my angel actually. I'm gonna put some glue around here, like that. And then I'm going to sprinkle some pom-poms for it to be the red part of the hat. This is how my Santa turned out. I finished with the hat with all the pom-poms on it, the big googly eyes, and the puffy beard. We worked on other ornaments, and this is how they turned out.
Thank you for watching. Happy holidays. Bye.